Algebros, Algebra Babes, Professor Algebro coming at you. Now, we're going to talk about rational expressions, but first we need to talk about what a rational number is. A rational number is a number that can be represented as a fraction. So here's my first one. Now, 4 over 12 is a rational number, but I can simplify this because inside here, I have the following values. I have 2 times 2, and on this one, also, I have 1 times 2 times 2 times 3. So how we are going to simplify this is we are going to divide out, and whatever's left, okay, that's how we simplify a rational number. Now, any rational expression is an expression has a variable in it. So this is a binomial and this is a binomial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we simplify this rational expression. First, I need to find out if there is a GCF in 2x plus 8, and there is. They're both divisible by 2. So I'm going to factor out 2, and what's left behind, 2x divided by 2 is x, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now, if you notice, the same thing I do up here, I'm going to do down here. I'm now going to divide out, and all that's left is 2. Okay? That's how we do it. Now, these get progressively harder. So, this is called a binomial that's factorable. This is also called a binomial which is also factorable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how we factor this, okay? This one is called difference of squares. What's inside here? This is a perfect square and this is a perfect square. So we say x plus 5, x minus 5. Now, those of you that don't remember or aren't familiar with how we simplify a quadratic, you look here first and you say, what are the factors of 20, whose difference is negative 1? That's going to be positive 4 and negative 5. Now also, here's another thing. When we start talking about equations, we're going to talk about excluded values, but all we're doing right now is simplifying. You do know x couldn't be negative 4 here and x can't be 5, but we'll address that later. So now, to simplify this, I find my common terms, I divide them out. Okay, fair enough? Now, one more thing. Now, these are called opposite factors. Okay, so x minus 5 and 5 minus x. Basically what this is x minus 5, and this becomes negative x plus 5. Now, if I want to be able to simplify this, I factor a negative 1 out. So this is x minus 5, negative 1 times x minus 5. That goes over 1, and this becomes negative 1. Now, I'm going to give you more information next time. No matter where you go, math is there. Later, dudes.
Algebros, if you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Later.